Kim Jensen, and I'm the owner of Villaggios. Villaggios is a rustic Italian. I think it's more of a northern style Italian. I like to cook so you can see everything that you're eating. I'm not very refined when I'm chefing at Villaggios. I'm inspired by food. I love to eat food. I like to cook on the fly. When I come up with new recipes, it usually comes at night in a dream. So I just kind of get turned on by new ingredients that are available every month and put the menu together for that. We're gonna start out today with our Spinnachi Salad. It's been on the menu from the beginning. It is caramelized bacon that we slow caramelize in our oven. It's not hard to make. I give that recipe out a lot to people. Then we use our homemade vinaigrette, which is in our grocery line, and we toss that in fresh spinach. And then we just throw the bacon on top with fresh mozzarella and cherry tomatoes and just finish it off with a little bit of cracked pepper. We're also going to do rigatoni. I'm gonna do the rigatoni with meatball and sausage. Marinara is our #1 seller. We sell our jars of it. We've sold it for over 18 years now. We're going to serve that over our rigatoni noodles with the sausage, the meatball with mozzarella, marinara, and sauteed green peppers and onions. It's one of our classic dishes that's been on the menu. New this year, again, we've been featuring organic. So I'm featuring flying tractor radishes and carrots. We're roasting them and sauteing them and adding a lemon cream sauce to it. And then we're pouring it over. My new favorite noodle of the year is a Trottole noodle. It looks like a corkscrew. It's nice and thick and it's got a great noodle feel in your mouth. Another organic vendor that we've been using a lot this year is Waseda Farms. Been working with the Letzi family on that. We are using their short ribs this month. We are just kind of searing them and then slow roasting them in a burgundy marinara sauce. We are serving it over angel hair pasta and then finishing it off with flying tractor microgreens. I'm also going to make one of our hand-tossed pizzas for you. I'm gonna do the 4 cheese. That's my favorite right now. It has ricotta, provolone, mozzarella, our homemade pizza sauce, and it's finished off with fresh basil. So it's a great thing to have in the middle of summer when it's hot and you don't want something heavy.